Hello guys, I just show you what we have been up to today, just preparing this Rafale C again. I will show you a bit of all the material I've used today and the different products. The Plastic Magic adhesive in 10 seconds for certain of the part, otherwise I use the Tamiya cement and it's perfect. That's all the different paint I use. The Umbral, you can recognize the colors if you want, and I use the Umbral thinner when I need them to be a bit thin. Also we have worked a bit with some decals today. That one, you see this part is missing. I cannot show you now because it's in the cockpit and the cockpit is upside down. For that, tomorrow I will present to you the microscale industry with the microset, the microsol. Microset helps your decals to improve the adhesion, and this one is magic. It allows your decals to follow the form of your model. Then, for example, if you have incurve instrument, you can just use this and it will just follow all the curve of your model. But that's for tomorrow. And then to help me with all of this, I use this magic lamp that works on USB, as you can see, and you can change the color as well, and also you can change the intensity if you want it less. Voila. And the best of the best thing, it got a magnifier, and that is just brilliant to help for the detail of the model. Thank you guys.